This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer Light 24 MLDS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 29 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, air conditioning, microwave, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, LP detector, slide-out, oven, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bath, rear kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.